Hello class, Mr. Suffering here with our Project Lead the Way Design and Modeling class. Today I am going to show you how to draw an isometric sketch. So let's get to it. What I have here is one of our linking cubes. We're going to develop a isometric sketch of our cube, and the model is very important for you to understand that there are isometric sketch is a sketch where you see three sides simultaneously. Firstly, you have the top view, then you have the front view, and you have your right side view. Okay, and over here to our bottom right hand corner of our screen, you will see a model in which you need to, it's very important for you to remember. If you need to write this down, because once we start taking our isometric sketches, once we sketch our isometric on isometric paper, we're going to then transfer our sketches to a program called SketchUp, and this model right here is imperative for you to understand. So there are three axis points in our isometric sketch. You have first your horizontal line, which represents your y-axis. All right, in SketchUp, that's going to be a green line. So I put that in parentheses because it's very important for you to remember that. So our y-axis is our height, and that's our green line in SketchUp. Our x-axis represents the width of our sketch, and that is in SketchUp our red line. Okay, and this will come full circle once you start using SketchUp. And our z-axis right here, which is our right side view, is going to be our depth, and we have in parentheses our blue. So when you open up SketchUp, you're going to see three access points at all times: your y-axis, green axis; your red axis, which is our x; and you're going to see your z-axis, which is blue. This is a very, very important concept. Okay, so the first step in drawing our isometric sketch is that we have to draw our horizontal base line. And the way I do that is I find an intersection point on my isometric graph paper. All right, and I put a dot. I just hold my pencil right here, apply my ruler, and create my horizontal base line. Okay, that is our first step. Okay, our second, which I will call my first step in creating our isometric cube, I'm going to start with our vertical line. So there's two lines that you use in when you sketch an isometric sketch. You use our vertical parallel lines and our non-vertical lines, which is angled in a 30-degree angle. So from our horizontal base line, we're going to draw a vertical line, two intersection points up, 1 and 2 from the horizontal baseline. Okay, then we're going to focus on the base of our cube, and we're going to draw our non-vertical line that's angled in a 30-degree angle. And since we're drawing a cube, all sides are equal. Okay, so in every sketch, this is what we're going to start off with. Our vertical line, which is our y-axis, height; a non-vertical line going towards your left, which is your x-axis, width; a line going towards our right, non-vertical line, which is our z-axis, depth. Okay, now we're going to focus on our parallel vertical lines of our cube. So we're going to go two intersection points up, just like so, and just like so. Okay, all right, now we're going to work on our width and our depth. And Now, I want you to really emphasize that when you are creating your sketch, you are referencing your linking cube. You're not looking at another drawing. You're referencing the object that you are drawing. Does that make sense? Okay. And that's some, whoops, this is not quite on the line. I'm a perfectionist. There we go. Now you see our isometric sketch of our linking cube, and it's also important that you label. This is a good exercise. Label the top, front, or you can put an F for front, and you can put a RS for right side. Now, if you have colored markers, it is good to go ahead and color the top green, the front red, and the right side blue. That is a really good exercise. Okay, I hope this helped, and keep sketching because this is the foundation of everything we're going to do. Okay, God bless.